everyone, this is Cindy of Cricut Heart, and a quick card share for you guys today, project share. I had originally made this card on camera, however, when I went to upload it, it was corrupted and the footage was lost. So, oh well. I went ahead and just decided just to film it so that I had it on camera for you guys. This card is using my Cricut. Now, the Cricut, excuse me, Design Studio has a couple of digital-only Hello Kitty cartridges. I have the two physical cartridges that came out. I think it was Hello Kitty font and Hello Kitty, I forget what the other one was, but I had both those. And then they came out with, I think, 3 digital cartridges. They came out with Hello Kitty and Friends, Hello Kitty and a City or something like that, and Hello Kitty Christmas one. So I used the Hello Kitty, I don't know, it was Village or City or something to that effect. Excuse me. And I cut the ice cream cone, ice cream truck. And then I also cut the Hello Kitty, made it a little smaller so that it would fit, together. So it looked like she was, eating some ice cream. Now, I could not for the life of me find a little ice cream like cone that she could hold, because she's actually holding a flower in this image. So I just used my CC Designs stamp set I have where she's eating a popsicle, and I just used that. I just cut that out and colored it in and attached that to her hand, so it looked like she's eating some sort of an ice cream. Probably should have made it pink because everything was pink, but I thought it would stand out if she was just eating like a little limesicle. To do my background, I used, excuse me, Echo Park Party Time. And I've seen this at Tuesday Morning. I actually didn't buy this one from Tuesday Morning, but I have had it for quite a while. So I used my favorite Cat Scrappiness dies, and I went ahead and cut a mat out. And then this black is the opposite side of this one. There's a tiny little piece left when I cut this out. So I just used the die to cut the bottom part out and just layered it over it. So I didn't waste any of that paper whatsoever. And this stamp set is from, where is that one from? Two Scoops. And I did some stickling on here and some stickles here as well as here. And I really love how it came out. And I wanted to quickly come on and show you guys because I'm actually giving this to a colleague. I make her a Hello Kitty card every year for her birthday, and her birthday actually was earlier, and I just didn't have this made, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this around, have the staff or the department sign it, and then I'll go ahead and pop that in her box for a little late birthday surprise. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cricut Heart.